What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. If you like the content you've been seeing, hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button. Heck, comment right here. Let's talk about this week's topic. You know, we bring a lot of G-Body content, and this week I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite G-Bodies that I like. Ones I've seen on the internet, YouTube, forums, and in person. Number 1 is a 1987 Turbo Buick Limited. It is light sage metallic with green interior, sage interior, whatever you want to call it. It's beautiful. It's got chrome on the outside. I mean, it's a total grandma sleeper car, but it'll get you if you don't watch out. As you can see right here, it's LC2 powered or turbo V6. Same motor as the Grand National. It's a beautiful car. I mean, the guy that owns this car's name is Brian Lorenz. He owns Lorenz Racing and Performance in Salem, Ohio, I believe. I mean, you just take a look at the car. It's beautiful, and it's been well kept. It is a one of one or one of two in this color, and then they only made 1,035 limited Turbo Buicks in 1987. So it's a very rare car. I know he's had a lot of offers on it, and I know he turned down about 60 grand, I think, and he says he doesn't want to sell it. Probably my top favorite G-Body. It's one I would love to own and have in my collection, but it's not for sale. So on to number 2. Number 2 is Dale Earnhardt's 1988, what looks like a 1987 Monte Carlo Air Coupe. Specifically a race car for NASCAR. You see right here, it's got a full roll cage. I mean, it's got the Aero Coupe window. Awesome car. I grew up with Dale Earnhardt, and that's why I like this car so much. And plus, I'd really like to own an Aero Coupe one day and do something kind of similar to that. I have seen the Hot Boy one or the Drifty Boy one, whatever one you want to call it, you see right here. I do like that one. I think it is kind of cool. It's a different take on stuff. But yeah, I'd like to own one of those. That's my second favorite G-Body. My third favorite G-Body is a 78, 79, 80 Malibu. I think the guy's out of Detroit. You can see it right here. Just look at it. That got a blower sticking out of the hood. I got an obsession with blower cars. I mean, Australians do it right, and this is an Australian style G-Body that I would love to own. There's a pretty famous video right here.
Hey guys, everyone can go home now. The event is officially over.
No, he left.
As you can see, I mean, the car sounds ridiculous. It's going to draw a lot of attention. I mean, it just sounds magnificent. Big old blower motor and big old cam. The sound of that car that's what makes me love this car. And I do like the way the wheels are set up on it, and the color's perfect. I mean, it's just a beautiful car. My fourth favorite G-Body is definitely a pretty well-known G-Body in the YouTube world. It's owned by John Dock. He calls it the Black Sheep. It is a Grand National. It's a all-tube frame, big 427, big old turbo out front, all polished up, looking pretty as you can see. Just an awesome car. John Dock's an awesome YouTuber. He's also got a Cutlass, I think he calls Brown Sugar, that's a G-Body. It's 1,000 horsepower. I mean, that's what I want here. I'd love, get to see it in person. Maybe I will soon as I grow with my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's my number 4 G-Body. And my number 5 G-Body is another Regal. Not surprised. That's what I own. That's what I grew up with. My dad had a 85, 86 blue on blue. Had a 383 stroker in it. So obviously I like Regals. That's why I got one. But anyways, my 5th and final G-Body that is the I think it's an 87, 86, 87 Buick Regal. It's done up like a GNX. It is a turbo Buick. It's all white, GNX fenders, lowered, CCW wheels. It's on air ride. It's a full pro touring setup. I mean, just look at it. It's beautiful. All these magnificent pictures. It's been in books, magazines. I mean, it's everywhere. It's a well-known car. It's owned by @NickRob that you see right here. It's his Instagram. Go check him out. I mean, it's an awesome car. It's a lot of inspiration for this car and how I want it to look when it's finally done. I mean, just take a look at some pictures right here. But yeah, that's my top 5 favorite G-Bodies on the internet. So number 1 was the light sage metallic green Turbo Buick Limited with green interior. Number 2 is Dale Earnhardt's Monte Carlo Aero Coupe, the black one. Number 3 is the Malibu with a big blower sticking out of the hood, big fat wide tires. Number 4 is John Dock's Black Sheep. I just really like that car. I like drag race Regals. They look awesome. And number 5, it's all white, GNX inspired, lowered, air ride again. It's a beautiful car you see right here. And yeah, that's my top 5 favorite G-Bodies on the internet. Let me know your top 5, or let me know which ones you like. If you like a particular model, the 440, the olds, 442s, the Cutlasses, the Monte Carlos, Malibus, any G-Body, the Grand Prix. Let me know down below in the comments what your top 5 G-Bodies are. They don't got to be on the internet. I know a lot of people like the GNX. I like the GNX, but I like these more. They're more customized. And yeah, let me know what you think. And hit that subscribe button if you like this video. And follow me on Instagram. It's at DanielFuzzyLane. Let's talk. I love talking G-Bodies. I love talking anything about cars. I know the message. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.